Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's Friday, 6:35 a.m. Usman Bhai, Little Manchu, Adil Shah, Amal Khan, Shin Khete, and Salar Khan. This is the trick. The snakes. Slowly and gradually the trek has become like this. We have taken 12,000 steps. The trek update. You see the hollow tree. So there is no trek. Trek has been finished. We still have not reached. I cannot hold my breath. Finally, we are leaving. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's Friday, 6:35 a.m. and we are going on a trip to Dadh Sar Miandam. It's around about 8 hours of hiking. So be with us. So this is our team. Let me introduce Usman Bhai, Little Manchu, Adil Shah, Amal Khan, Shin Khete, and Salar Khan. This is basically our base camp. Riyaz Khanji, and Dadh Sar is actually behind that mountain. It's a meadow behind that mountain. Jalil is our tour guide, and Riyaz Khanji is also accompanying us. We are going to Dadh Sar, and we are very hopeful that it might be joyful to us. Thank you. I just wanted to share a few glimpses of the trek. Up to some extent, it's a proper trek, and then you have to climb on the mountains, and it's a rough area. So here you can see Miandam Bazaar. These are the hotels of the Miandam Bazaar, and it's on a little bit height from there. Manchu has applied sunblock along with Osman bhai. This is the trek till now. Trek to Dadh Sar Miandam. It's a very beautiful trek, and you could see lots of waterfalls and different beautiful scenery. Manchu, how is your experience? Are you feeling well? Okay, so that one is the Dadh Sar, actually the top of that mountain. So we are going towards that. We have almost covered up to 4 or 5 kilometers of distance with 8,000 of steps. So we are staying here for some time. I am just waiting for my rest of the team to reach. We have Manchu, a kid, in our team. He is very tired, and I think he is now in the lap of his father, Osman bhai. There is a special kind of fruit here which the local people call kore, and it's a kind of grapes, or Osman, what do you say? What it is like?
It is like grapes.
Grapes or what? And we have reached to the almost base of the mountain, on the top of which is Dadh Sar. This is that mountain. The snakes on the way. This guy has killed it. Tamal ko kana? Slowly and gradually the trek has become like this. Hanji Osman bhi shada bacho nazar ugo. We have taken 12,000 steps and covered almost 6.5 kilometers of distance. Dadh Sar is a meadow actually. I would explain what does the word mean. So we are almost midway in the mountain of Dadh Sar. If you could see the ashes, this is how trees, I think, in the forest catches the fire. So we have reached up to this much of height. You could see the mountain in front of me, and we are now heading towards the Dadh Sar. This is one side of the mountain and this is the other side. We are almost on the top, but we have to cover some more distance. It's actually top on the top. See the view in the wide angle as well. We are almost in the sky. Now this is the trek update. has height phobia might not be feeling well here. You could see the hollow tree. It's hollow from inside and it has a special name, banya, and it's very beautiful when used in the doors according to our local tourist guide. Dadh is a Pashto word which means hollow. One of the saying is that this could be the reason that this place or this area is called Dadh Sar. We have not reached yet, but Dadh Sar means hollow. Dadh means hollow. But some of the people also say that this is the name is not for that reason. This is just a name. So we don't know. This might be false stories, as we have heard of Siri Pai and Jil Safar Maluk, etc. So there is no trek has been finished, no pathway, no any human-made thing for the footsteps. We are just heading towards the Dadh Sar on a steep mountain in between the trees, and we are very tired. We have taken 14,000 steps with the 8 kilometer of distance. The larger tree. We still have not reached. That looks like the top of the mountain, and we are almost drained. We have heard that that is the top, and we are moving on this unbeatable trek. I cannot hold my breath. One thing I just want to mention about this place is that it's very unexplored and undiscovered place. Not many people would have come here. are leaving. It's 24th of June 2022 and today was Friday. Manju has done a great job and we all have, you know, baked again with the sticks, and that was it for today's vlog. We are setting for a group photo. So that's it. Thank you for watching.